Yogurt. It's time for yogurt. 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 It's time for yogurt. Mogurt.
Kinda Maria, she's barely Maria, but she's surely Maria, just kinda. I don't get it.
Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode on my channel. Today, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make coconut yogurt. Now, coconut yogurt is amazing because sometimes when you eat the milk, it doesn't feel that great in the bowels. Okay, the dairy, it's not that, it's yummy, but it's not that good.
Oh, I don't have that issue.
Well, some people, not me in particular, have this problem. No, don't look at them. The first thing that you need to do is sterilize your glass container.
Now, Maria, is this fully sterilized?
No.
Then why did you hold us up and say it was sterilized? In
No,
fact-
I said sterilize our container. Sorry, everyone. My cameraman has no hearing and clearly
Is that what
can't-
you said? Are you
Yes,
sure?
Yes.
So we check it in post-production. We'll see who was right, correct?
What you need to do is sterilize.
I'm just gonna record just me laughing at you, because when I'm right, you can just put this in there. Stupid!
So in order to do that, we have to wash the container. So come over here.
Oh, are you gonna show people how to wash a container, Maria?
So you're gonna use the warmest water that you have coming out of your tap.
The warmest?
The warmest.
Okay.
Then you're gonna take your scrubby and add a little bit of dish soap.
But Maria John, what if you don't have a scrubby?
Why don't you have a scrubby? That's the real question. The reason why we're doing this is because we don't want any weird bacteria growing. And if we get weird bacteria, that is a bigger problem for your bowels than it is for regular yogurt. Container is nicely washed.
Wow,
And make
7
sure-
minutes of this footage is just you washing.
You know what? Just, it's important, okay? And we're gonna add some hot boiling water. Try to get it around the sides as well. And now I'm going to drain the water. Obviously it's still hot, so drain it away from you because you don't want to get burned. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. Drying sequence now. Dry to the table too. For our coconut milk, I'm gonna be using 365's organic coconut milk. Oh no. Because my can opener is useless.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Maria,
Wait, I've done this before.
you want to give that to me? You want me to
No,
do
I
it?
got it. I've done this so many times. Come on. I'm an adult. There you go. See, that was easy. And we're gonna pour. So I've emptied 4 cans into here. The next thing that we're gonna add is our probiotics. I've been told that you can't use the tablet form of probiotics. You can only use the ones that come in this capsule so you can open it. For 4 cans, I'm gonna add 4 probiotics in this, and this will make a really nice, thick coconut yogurt. And this is honestly a really great way to make your probiotics last, because sometimes probiotics are expensive. Money saving tips for you. Okay, and now I'm gonna mix this and make sure there's no clumps. I've added my probiotics, I've mixed it in, and now we're done. We'll just leave it here and then it'll ferment. I'm just kidding. We gotta put it in the oven. Putting it in the oven because we want it to have a nice warm spot. My oven has an option to just keep the light on. If you have some sort of kitchen towel, you can put that on top, but I don't, so I'm just gonna use a paper towel. I'm gonna put this in the oven. Very careful, don't spill anything. I'm gonna cover it. Wait, why am I struggling? What's going on?
Can you stop breathing so heavily into your yogurt?
Wait, hold on. Okay, I think it's fine. We'll find out tomorrow. Yeah, and then I just close it.
Wait, how do you close it? Show us. Oh my god.
Shut up. And then we'll come back tomorrow and see what it looks like. It has been 72 hours since I've made my yogurt. After 48 hours, I took it out of the oven and it was really nice and gorgeous and thick. I put it in the fridge to chill, and now we are ready to eat our yogurt. Not that I've already started eating this yogurt. Not at all. This is my first time trying it. So as you can see, the yogurt is so thick and amazing.
This light over here makes it look like the yogurt is holy. La 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 yogurt. Wow. The light.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs like, and you better do that because that'll tell the YouTube algorithm that this video is awesome and you made it to the end and you really like it and you want to share it to everybody and their mom and you want them to see it, please just do the thumb like thing. And if you like this channel, you can also subscribe.